Yo, good morning. Happy Easter, guys. Happy Easter Sunday. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another episode. We are riding with the Cuetos today, meaning that is Pogi and his brother Jay. Nothing is planned. We just want to ride around for a little bit. Pogi and his brother are using Sena system. Tayo naka-cardo tayo, so hindi pa namin napag-aralan kung paano mag-connect. So I think today solo vlogging style lang tayo, hindi tayo magko-connect or wala tayong communication with them. But Pogi wants to go to Cycle Gear kasi gusto raw niya ng bagong helmet. So we'll take him to Cycle Gear and then we'll go from there. Time check, it's 11:50 a.m. 64 degrees, nice and sunny. We just got back from Nashville yesterday. Kami dalawa ng daddy, nag round trip flight kami. We were out for like 33 hours total. Pero hindi tayo nakapag-ride kahapon kasi umuulan na naman sa Vegas. Oh my God, kotang-kota na kami dito sa Vegas. Lagpas na yung aming limit of 10 rains per year. Sulit na sa ulan tong taon na to. And it's only March. Kamusta ang Holy Week sa Pilipinas? I know it's a big thing kasi marami nagbabakasyon, but the guys at DJ DLS, I think may mga kanya-kanya rin silang plano, pero most ay nakapag-ride naman sila. It's crazy how open the roads were sa Metro Manila no nagra-ride sila, kasi siguro majority ng tao is nagbakasyon sila sa mga iba-ibang probinsya. Variator gaming si Edwin. Si Mr. Pogi naka-Variator yan, kaya matulin. I don't know if you guys can tell, si Bieber medyo maingay na rin siya. We finally have an exhaust. Dumating na yung exhaust natin galing Indonesia. Weird lang na maingay na si Bieber. But the exhaust is kinda like, it's very loud. Kaya binalik natin yung DB killer niya. So medyo kalmado na siya ng konti. Supposedly the Malossi variators na kinabit natin kay Bieber na 9.5 grams, it's gonna feel much better pagka naka-exhaust siya. But we don't know yet. So kailangan pa mag-cycle na itong motor na to sa fuel siguro. Kasi nung nag-idle kami sa bahay, na aamoy namin na rich siya. So baka it's gonna take time to adjust. Kaya namumutok-putok siya, propopopopop, mga ganun. Lapit lang naman sa bahay yung Cycle Gear eh. So let's go check it out. Gusto ata mag-shopping ni Pogi ng helmet. So tignan natin kung ano mapili niya. I guess we're parking there. You look like you're ready for an adventure though with your outfit. Adventuring. All right, let's go check it out. What you buying, man?
Just looking.
Just looking.
What you buying?
Whatever. I think the helmet that I want is actually here. Shit, sako pa ata mo pa ako bili ng helmet ng di oras ah. Alright, let's go check out helmet number 2. That is 7X, bro. What about this one, guys? hindi tayo papabudol today. I think pati si Pogi hindi rin siya bibili. We're gonna eat?
Oh, you want to eat first?
I don't care. You probably ate, huh?
Yeah.
What'd you eat?
Corned beef.
I want to go. Where are we going?
Let's go right, man.
Let's go to Latai, get some oxtail soup.
Oh. So now we're gonna go try to find something to eat. Tanghali na, gutom na kami. Well, ako at least gutom na. I think Pogi and his brother ate. Alright, let's go, guys. We're gonna go eat. Pasa tayo sa cycle gear. Wala kaming binili, which is probably a good thing, like I said. And either way, kung may binili man kaming helmet, hindi rin namin may uuwi kasi wala kaming storage. Pero at least may idea na kami kasi nakapagsukat kami ng helmets, sizing wise. It's weird na nagkakasya sa akin yung mga bagong model ng Arai on a medium. Kasi yung Corsair X ko na 2015, that's an extra large. Yeah boy, 300 torque. Malapit lang naman yung pupuntahan natin na kainan. It's only 3 blocks away. Diyan lang tayo sa Chinatown pupunta. Para mas maganda nga tumakbo yung ano ngayon, yung Sprint na naka-exhaust with the Variator of 9.5 grams. I was thinking of mixing it up kagaya no kay Mr. Sarap Vlogs na 9.5 and 13.5 mix. Pero so far this one feels good. For city riding, I think it's good. Hindi ko naman dadaling kasi ito sa freeway, hindi siya legal. Parang ngayon at least tuloy-tuloy yung RPM niya. Oh, yan, medyo namumutok sa dulo. Yan oh. I don't know if you guys can hear that. Baka yun nga yung gamot doon, kailangan lagyan ng 13.5. It's probably over revving kasi masyadong magaan yung weights o yung roller weights. From what I've been studying, ganun yung ano niya, parang ganun yung epekto niya pagka masyadong magaan yung bola. No more Big Wong? There's no more Big Wong?
They changed.
I wonder if it's still the same. This is like or
What's that?
I guess. Damn, that's kind of sad. Mamimiss ko yun. Pick fish rice noodle. Huh. Alright, we'll try it, I guess. Alright, so I guess sarado na yung Big Wong. So we're gonna try to just eat at the same spot, but it's a different name now. It's Yunnan rice noodle. Mix the egg first. Go home, that's right. How's your shrimp fried rice, bro? Good? Let's go, boys. What up? All done? You full, man?
Sure.
What up, freak? Alright, let's go, guys. Okay, we're clear. Let's roll, boys. Nagre-rev limit siya, guys. Bam 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 bam. Gumagano'n yung motor. It needs some heavier weights. camera angle's too low. You gotta fix it back. Hey, your GoPro. Yeah. Oh, keep going. Mali nga yung combination natin ng roller weights. Masyadong magaan. I think what I feel on the bike is talagang ayaw niya mag-shift ng gear. It doesn't wanna go another gear up. So it's staying to the lower gear. Nai-hit natin yung max revs niya. Kaya pumapalo na lang siya ng mga ganon, 52 miles per hour. Tapos naririnig mo yung motor, baba. Subukan natin, 13.5. Hopefully, I don't need to go to 13.5 all around. Sana we can get away with just 3 of them. The 9.5 is probably good for the 125, no? Yeah. Go up like this. Tilt it backwards. Yeah, like that. There you go. That's better. Siguro nag-open up din kasi yung exhaust ngayon, na since nagpalit tayo ng exhaust, mas tumulong siya mag-rev, mas nakahinga yung motor. Kasi dati dun sa stock exhaust, hindi ko naman nararamdaman or naririnig yung ganung pitik yung rev limit. Pero I would think I was closer to the rev limits, you know, during that time. Tapos nung pinalitan ng exhaust, nag-open up siya, yun, sumasagad na siya. Alright, so I guess he's going under the knife again.
Battery status 50%.
Patayin na natin si Cardo. Wala naman tayong kausap sayang yung baterya. Actually kagabi iniisip ko na palitan yung bola ng variator ni Bieber. Kaso kailangan ko muna siyang matesting ha. Kahapon umuulan din, so hindi ko siya matesting. So hinayaan ko muna. Technically today we did our test and we found out that we need to change the ball. I mean, I-enjoy ko naman magkalikot ng motor so I guess it's okay. Palit tayo ng bowler. Ayan, naggagawa sila airpods. May teacher na kayo ah. We're gonna test this out. Mabilis, okay na siya. Woo! Bilis umakyat ng bilis umakyat ng speed. So yung RPM niya at saka yung speed ng motor sabay na, hindi yung puro tunog lang. Tingnan nyo itong bling bling ni pogi oh. Woohoo! Nagpalit na tayo ng rollers. Hopefully this one's better. Ang layo ng gap nung sa roller part niya, hindi umaabot sa dulo yung ikot ng goma ng belt. So hopefully this one's gonna make it right. Yo. So okay na siya. 58. Alright. It's a lot better for sure. Wala na siyang putok-putok. Hindi na tayo nagre-rev limit. We are Gucci guys. Alright, that's our testing route. Balik na tayo sa bahay. That's crazy how a piece of roller makes a big difference kung paano tumakbo yung scooter. Ang dami lang bolts na kailangan tanggalin para mapagana mo siya. It's okay though, you learn. Na-delete na namin yung turn signal sa rear ng Bieber kasi yung US version is not good. Para siya may tenga. And napalitan ko na rin yung rollers ng Bieber. So, it's better na wala na yung popping sound niya. Hindi na siya nagre-rev limit. So, that's good. So, I think I'm happy with that. Now, we're just gonna leave it like that as is. And then we're just gonna keep riding. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for coming with us. Happy Easter again to everyone. And we'll catch you in the next episode. God bless and be a blessing to one another. Ciao.